Namaste. Today, July 11, 2021, we are again at Tilkanga in Pashupati, going to distribute food to poor and homeless people. The person who helped to Dishitashi Dorje died of Sidhe Puntabling. The person who donated was Sonam Lamo on the behalf of her late father Dorje Gurung's 49 days. The amount received was $500 on Nepali rupees 1,500. The amount spent in food 225 piece 45,000, water bottle 4,000, 3,500, transportation charge 6,000, petrol 58,500. We heartily thank you Dishitashi Dorje and Sonam Lamola.